What we have is a Honda Civic here with a lift gate that these struts here are wore out and it does not stay up. So what I'm going to do here today is take and put a piece of pipe over here. This was not my invention. It is from another YouTuber, 65 Ford, as well as Brian's Mobile One, and I'm going to simply take and pop this clip off here and then remove the this little strut here and then slide that tube over, and then when you lift the tailgate up here, it'll catch on here and won't fall down. So I prepared the piece of PVC pipe here. I just took a measurement, and this one happened to be 10 3/4 of an inch. That would be about 1/8 of an inch smaller than what is needed, and or about 5 millimeters. And then I'm going to cut that off here, put a little slot in there, and put an O-ring on there and slide it on.